Hey, it's Max from KB Packaging. We're here at day one of Packaging Innovations 2024, showcasing market-leading solutions to the packaging industry to improve speeds and efficiencies. I'm here now with Richard Steben, who's Managing Director of Protega Global. They offer market-leading solutions for void fill. Richard, what can you tell us about Protega and how Protega's the solution of choice for void fill?
Yeah, thank you, Max. We're very glad to be here with KB Packaging, one of our strategic distributors. So we're a UK manufacturer, which is very important to companies today when they make a choice for void fill. Very much the buzzword is carbon footprint, which rightly so, everybody's concerned to reduce. So we're very much focused on reducing the carbon miles of our products. And KB recognise that. We work very well together to help companies not only reduce their carbon footprint, but also become more efficient with their packaging.
100%. And customers really value the fact that the product is all sourced in the UK. It hasn't come from abroad, and it's a fantastic solution to protect the product.
Yeah, absolutely. So one of the areas we focus on is reducing the amount of volume of packaging that customers need to use in the box. Because we've seen a lot of companies transition from plastic to paper, rightly so. But we like to help them do it in a more intelligent way, and that is to use a cushion that's very strong, which not only means it protects the product well, but means you can use less of the product to achieve the protection you need.
Yeah, okay. And your paper is tri-folded, which is unique and offers a fantastic cushion and protection for the product. What can you tell us about how Protega is different from other options in the market?
Yeah, well, as you mentioned, it is tri-folded. It's also free-folded, which means the cushion, when it comes out of the machine, is very well formed. It's also very flexible, so you're able to coil it. You can twist it to fill gaps more efficiently than just lying it flat. And the reason you can do that is the paper is very well stitched. So we spent time making sure the cushion is of a very good quality, so it's as flexible as possible when it comes to use. And over and above that, the Protega 125 is our most popular machine. It's very compact. You can see the footprint is very small. It's only a 35 centimetre width, so it can fit into most spaces, or indeed be integrated into a overhead system, as you see it here, which makes it very easy for the operator to pack from. We're all about trying to reduce the amount of footfall and distance that packers need to travel to actually obtain the void fill they need.
Yeah, okay, and that kind of plays into the whole discussion about ergonomics and pack station efficiencies and things like that, which you're a manufacturer of packing benches and the integration bench that we're showcasing today.
Yeah, absolutely. So that journey, if you like, of efficiency has led us into the manufacture of benches. To the point where we've not only integrated the void fill, we've also integrated the Hexcel, which is our bubble wrap alternative, which you see here. So you can integrate it under the bench like that, which gives you free space to pack when you're not using the Hexcel, and also it's close on hand. There's no need to travel again to go and fetch the product when you need it.
Yeah. Very interesting stuff from Protega Global. We're on stand C116, so if you are visiting the show tomorrow, we'd be more than happy to have a quick chat.
Thank you, Max.